Hi everybody! Our whole class read text this week is called Those Shoes. It's by Marybeth Bolts and Noah Z. Jones. This is the whole class read for years 1 and 2, week beginning the Monday the 8th of June. Okay, so first of all I'd like you to read up to this page today where we can see Jeremy at home with his grandma. And I've got blue and green questions just like every week. Blue ones are a little bit easier, green ones are a little bit trickier. So the blue question says, where do Jeremy and his grandma live? Can you find clues in the illustration? Okay, so what sort of building do you think they live in? Question 2, why does Jeremy want the new high-top trainers? So it doesn't say explicitly why he wants them, but if you read the text, listen to his lines, I think you'll work it out. And last question, what does Grandma mean when she says, there's no room for want around here, just need? What does that expression mean? There's no room for want, just need. What does she mean by that? Wonderful. As always, you can just have a chat about these questions or you can write down the answers. It's entirely up to you. Bye for now. Alright, these are our questions for Tuesday the 9th of June. So I'd like you to read up to here today. Mr. Alfred gives Jeremy some old shoes to wear because his are broken. And question 1. Why does Nate go to the toilets 7 times in one day? What's he doing? Question 2. Does Jeremy like the shoes Mr. Alfred gives him? And why not? Can you give a reason? And question 3. How do you think Jeremy felt wearing the Velcro shoes? How do you think he felt when he had to wear them? I love a pair of Velcro shoes, me. Very easy. Okay, questions for Wednesday the 10th. Blue question. Why did the other children laugh at Jeremy? They're very unkind, aren't they? Why do they laugh at Jeremy? Green questions. Why does Jeremy think every word he writes looks like the word shoes? It's quite a tricky one, children. And last question for Wednesday. Jeremy says his heart was pounding when he tried on the new shoes. Oh, sorry, when he tried on the shoes in the charity shop. They're old shoes, aren't they? Why? Why was his heart pounding? Well done. Questions for Thursday the 11th of June. I'd like you to read up to here today. It's a bit of a chunk. Why are Antonio's shoes taped up? Why are they taped up? Why do you think Antonio did not laugh at Jeremy's second-hand shoes? He was the only one, wasn't he? Why did he not laugh? And last question, what does Jeremy mean when he says, I'm not going to do it? He says that a few times, doesn't he? He says it in his head and he says it finally, he says it out loud, I'm not going to do it. What does he mean by that? What's he not going to do? Well done. Questions for Friday. These are our last ones, everybody. I'd like you to read it to this page. Well, there's one page after this one. Why does Jeremy feel happy and mad? That's funny. You don't expect to feel both of those things at once, do you? But he feels happy and mad. Why is that? Question 2. Does Jeremy like his new black boots? How do you know? And last question. Does Antonio know Jeremy gave him the high tops? And how do you know? Does Antonio know that Jeremy was the one who gave them to him? How do you know? Okay, well done, children. I look forward to seeing your responses, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.